The Gulf has seen shadow wars before. It has seen tankers sabotaged.
The same, what you call it? Same thing. If you understand geometry, then you will see what's happening. These are all improvements or modifications, depending on which word you prefer. Improvements, modifications on the standard helicopter drone rotor. So, if you have a careful look, you'll see the first one swastika like with the 90-degree bend. But then what I did is I extended the bend and created return leg. Hence this other funny shape. But it's all scientific. It all makes sense, and it should work. And this is the future of helicopters and drones. The rotor is gonna disappear, and in the marine space, the same thing also exists, but in the form of a figure eight. It is the same thing as I have done here. Difference being that it's 3D in the marine, whereas here it's only 2D. But essentially the same thing. So in the future, even I might do that 3D one. I'm just not, because I also need to compare, see which one creates more uh, pull and push, essentially. Yeah, first law of motion. Yep, and yeah, and then which works better, obviously. If I was using a drone motor such as this, um, they would definitely fly better. But now, um, since I'm using a Dremel, the Dremel is bloody heavy. So the Dremel is just too heavy for this thing. So many more tests need to be done. Studies essentially to see what the specifications of each one are, including the standard helicopter drone type. That too needs to be studied to see what are its specifications. What does it give out as compared to the others, and move on from there. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done, but essentially this is it. Yeah. So you'll see many of my videos, not only drone types, but also force induction tool types. These here are what are called rotors or force induction tools. Yeah. So basically, I my background is mechanical engineering, so I study engineering. I study forces. I don't study engineering at varsity. I dropped out long ago. I left varsity, but I study engineering um, as a hobby. Yes, in my spare time. Yebo, that's what I do. So you'll see my videos will speak to that and will show you how the whole thing is evolving, the modifications, etc., etc. Yebo. Thank you for watching.